Today on the Griddle Guys, mango fried rice
for a crowd.
For a crowd. It's gonna be quick. It's not gonna be easy, but it's gonna be worth it. Cheers, guys.
Jeff's never easy.
Mango. A lot of people are a little apprehensive about mango. So you can see it's kind of oval, right? And you got a rib going down the middle. There's a pit somewhere in the middle. So you take it, you offset your knife by about 1/4 of an inch, and you just start going down the same as the rib. And you're gonna feel, once you hit the pit, you can go around it, and it's got a cheek. So now you know the pit's right there. You got a nice piece. You can do the same thing on this side.
How many times you cut your finger doing this?
Plenty, too many. And then now you can go around the pit and you can take off pieces on the side and you can hear it actually, right? When you hit the pit, that.
Now that we have our new audio, you can hear it, yes.
Yeah. So for the marinade, we're gonna have 1 whole mango, and then after you take it off, cut it off the pit, you just take the skin off.
So you're gonna marinate the chicken, and then there's gonna be a stir-fry sauce that goes on the rice and chicken after?
No.
No? Oh, okay.
No, it's just gonna be the mangoes, fresh mangoes in the rice.
Did I give away the surprise? I'm sorry.
You always do. Nothing new, but that's good. It's a good question. I'm glad you're paying attention. So my wife absolutely hates this because I use it for my protein shakes, and it's a little hand mixer. You can use an immersion blender, you can use your food processor, whatever you want. It's not allowed to stay on the counter. That's the moral of that story.
Immersion blender, you have one of those?
The emergency blender. We'll do a half of an orange because I only have 4 chicken thighs.
You know what's funny is it smells good over here, and we haven't even cooked anything yet.
Right.
I smell like garlic, ginger, fresh citrus.
So I got my juice squeezer here.
These are going in there, right, Jeff? What's the mango?
Yeah, if you want to cut them into small pieces because they're limited size.
Oh, this is the Delstron, huh?
Yes. And I like that, you'll see, for the lemongrass.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy duty.
Yeah. So we got 1 clove of garlic, a big one. Gonna put that right in there.
Ginger.
We're gonna do some ginger. Nate, if you wanna do just a little nub of ginger off to the side, if you wanna grate that, I'm gonna show you the lemongrass. So with the lemongrass, you pretty much are only using like the heart. So you wanna take, we'll say 1.5 inches off the bottom. About that much off the top. You'll see that color-wise, that if you don't take enough off, it's a little darker. And this is like ginger, where you can not have too little, but you can definitely have too much. And you want to peel the outside layers until you get to the nice center, so that way it's less woody. And then, this is actually where I had the Dalstrong. You can just tap it a little bit, release some of the flavors.
That enough? Oh yeah, huh?
And then, yes, that's plenty. You want to go right into the cup with that. Smells good.
Everything smells good. A lot of aromatics, Jeffina.
All right, so we have lemongrass, 1 clove of garlic, a whole mango, juice of 1 orange. This is double dark soy. You can use regular soy sauce. And we're gonna go with roughly 3 tablespoons of that. We got ginger, and I'm gonna put a little bit of water in here.
That's all.
Thank you. And you'll see how nice and quiet, actually.
How nice and quiet the Ninja
How nice and quiet. And
bullet blender knockoff is.
why my wife loves this so much.
Shut the mics off.
Yeah. There you go.
Forget marinating it. I want to just drink it.
All right, so we got the Zip Quicker marinade. 4 chicken thighs, and this is for a family cook. That's about 2 cups of uncooked rice, about 5 to 6 cups of cooked rice that I have.
Well, it was.
It's
4 chicken thighs now. When he started it was 6.
Yeah, right.
I left.
And then he started trimming them.
I left a lot of the fat on these because they're gonna get cut up on the griddle, and that flavor is gonna just add to it all. So anyways, we'll get this in the fridge.
How long? How long are you gonna leave it in the fridge?
We're done. We're done. We're already done. This is gonna go so quick now. So as far as, and I apologize if my audio keeps going up and down. I get excited about this stuff. I get the dog. I get some good marinade. What was the question?
Four hours, 12 hours, 24 hours?
2 hours.
Minimum 30 minutes, up to, I'd say, half a day to a day. You know, I wouldn't go more than a day because it does have a lot of citrus
That's
in
pretty
it.
potent.
Yeah.
Where's my rice? Where's my fried rice?
We're working on that. We got Gracie's waiting too, patiently. All right, so we got the griddle. This is the ideal cook for the griddle. Wow, that's loud. All right, so I got the chicken burner on medium. The other 3 burners are on low. We're gonna put that down first. Chris put down some oil.
Yeah, a little bit. This is sloppy, Jeff.
That's all right. It's the way we like it. That's it. You got a garbage can right below for you. You want to throw some oil down on this side and drop the rice. This is on low. That way we can start warming up the rice. The rice is, as I mentioned, 2 cups uncooked, and that equals, I think, like 5-6 cups cooked.
Did you buy the jasmine again?
I always buy the jasmine. Comes out great. It's got better flavor. I don't care what you say. So anyways, he's gonna break that up. You want to use day-old rice. Nate, why?
Because otherwise you end up with a pile of starch when you try to fry it.
It just gets mushy, right?
Yeah.
So I cooked this yesterday, let it cool down in the fridge. Now it's good to go.
A lot of the time when I make white rice, Jeff, I make extra just so I can do this with leftovers in the fridge the next day.
Yeah. And it never goes bad. I mean,
Yeah. Well, I mean, I just like, yeah, you go through the veggie drawer. What do you
Yeah,
got left
hibachi
in there?
going on.
All right.
Stir fry it.
perfect. So now we can move that all over, section it up over there. That gives us a nice section in the middle for the vegetables. So on to the vegetables. Big thing with stir fries, with rice, fried rice, it's kind of like whatever you have in the fridge or whatever you like. In my case, the only ingredients that are must for this recipe is the mango, obviously. But I was able to find snow peas that looked really good. Some carrots, I just julienne some carrots. Half an onion, rough chopped, and a handful of broccoli. I mean, that's it. Pretty simple, but whatever you like.
Do
Peppers,
what you like.
mushrooms, everything.
What is
goes
this,
good.
ginger and garlic mixed together?
And then that is the
Ginger, garlic?
ginger, garlic, and the lemongrass.
Ooh,
About a teaspoon of each, and that's gonna be for the vegetables. We get that started. Once the chicken is ready for a flip, we're gonna put the vegetables down. It'll go pretty quick. It's been 3 minutes, 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Chicken's ready to flip. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Smells good, Jeff.
Get some nice color. Rice, we're gonna start, now that that's warming up, we're gonna start seasoning that a little bit. What I like is a little bit of sesame oil. Not much. Nate doesn't really like this, so I go kind of light. It's pretty strong.
I don't hate it. I can take a little bit. Sometimes people get a little crazy with the sesame oil.
I'm gonna do a little red pepper flake. A little cayenne. Well, you kind of want the mango to come through, right? And then I'm gonna do a little soy.
double dark.
Double dark. Give that a mix.
You gotta do the fish sauce too?
Fish sauce. All right,
No.
so fish sauce. That was about a teaspoon, which is a little heavy, but it's good stuff. Nice and savory.
Teaspoon too much.
No.
I went for Vietnamese soup a couple of weeks ago, and I asked the waiter, I'm like, do you guys use a lot of fish sauce or a regular amount?
Yeah.
He goes, it doesn't taste like fish sauce, sir. I go, okay.
And we're gonna start to let it get a little crispy on the edges. Same thing, low heat. Now that the chicken's pretty much done, we can turn that down to low too. So we got the chicken, now we got
Veggie time.
veggie time. We got a little bit of oil. Gonna do the lemongrass, garlic, and ginger. Ooh. And that is about a teaspoon, maybe a half a teaspoon each. I'm gonna do the vegetables.
Are you a crisp veggie guy or a cooked all the way veggie guy, Jeff?
I am a crisp veggie guy,
So am I.
and this stays pretty crisp for the most part. So anyways,
Where the mushrooms at?
this is something that I went for the color, and I didn't have mushrooms, sorry. But, like we said, you can do whatever you want
Yeah,
with this,
yeah.
you know?
I just got Chinese food the other night and I ordered like the Hunan beef or whatever, one of those. Mushrooms and onions only.
Oh, really?
Really?
Delicious.
Nate, get in there and smell that.
I can smell it
you
from
pick
here,
up on the
yeah.
lemongrass and the ginger,
Oh, it smells outstanding.
right?
Yeah. It's actually got to make a pretty big portion, too.
It is, it is. So this is gonna be for a family of 4 with leftovers.
Yeah.
And I went kind of percentage-wise, ratio-wise, a lot of vegetables to rice, but that's because we like
To make it a little
vegetables.
healthier.
Yeah. So once the vegetables are almost done, which is just gonna be a minute or two, then we're gonna throw the mango in because I actually wanna heat up the mango a little bit.
Yeah.
It helps soften it, kind of brings the flavors in.
When are the eggs going in?
Eggs go in last. Yeah, I just kind of do that as an afterthought almost. So that's actually gonna be enough to toss in the mango. So we got one whole mango. Oh, I love this. I love this. I love the color. I love the smell, the aromas.
Colors are great.
We're coming up on almost 2 years with these stupid lights. No, yeah, almost 2
Yeah,
years with
right.
these stupid lights. So we're gonna
Griddle pot, just a
leave this for now. We'll give it like a minute, maybe 2, and that's it. This is all coming together. Chicken's done. Nate's cutting that into slices, and then he's gonna mix it all together.
No, we gotta do the eggs.
We're gonna do the eggs last. We're gonna mix the rice, the vegetables,
Clean it up a little
clean it up
bit.
a little bit.
yeah, I got you.
Yeah. And Chris, you're in charge of breaking the eggs over the griddle, and Nate mixes them.
No problem. 1 hand or 2.
Ooh, that's a tough one. What do we got? A party going on in the house?
Actually, how about I flip
Hey,
it?
don't worry
Wait.
about the video going on out here, ladies. Oh, even better. Connor and Brianna. Anyways, Nate's perfectly cutting that chicken. Oh, that chicken looks perfect, huh?
Yeah. Say your timing is good.
Don't lose any down the chute. Nice color. Oh, look at that.
Nate, you're like a surgeon.
Yeah. All right, so chicken's chopped. Now we can mix it all together.
Smelling good, Jeff.
So this is where all the magic happens.
See a little crustiness?
Oh yeah. That right there.
It's a lot of stir fry.
Yes, sir. Look at how beautiful that looks. Mangoes coming to life.
Nate, you're gonna land this right on the thing, okay? Right on that. Right on the edge.
All right, you want to try that?
Want to see me juggle these, Jeff?
You know what? I have enough eggs inside that I think that's worth.
You can throw it, Chris. I'll do my best to catch it.
Look at that amazing garbage chute. Perfect. Just down the chute, still goes in.
Wasn't sure if you were talking about that or just how fast and how much I eat. Like, is he pointing at the griddle or is he pointing at me?
Perfect. Drop them.
You're not gonna do the heart with the arrow through it? These are all broken yolk, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Just mix them all up.
That's why I was just throwing it down. Jessica, his family came by.
Party going on. Just in
They
time.
must have smelt the stir fry. Well, makes sense. It's enough to feed them, everybody.
Right? Nate does everything with some purpose. Like, he does stuff with purpose. Like, I make a mess. I'm throwing stuff off. Well, you see me with flouring and breading.
yeah.
And Nate does everything with purpose and, like, a skill.
Methodically thought out.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You guys done now?
No, it's a compliment. It's not even a backhanded one. All right, so that's it. We're done. Well, wait.
But mix that in. You gotta mix that in.
Mix that in. Nate loves raw egg. Can you leave that extra raw?
You know, the thing is, there's so much heat in the rice, you can actually put it in a little on the undercooked side, too.
It's gonna keep cooking.
All right, what do we call that, guys?
1, 2, 3.
Done. And delicious, I'm sure.
Let's try it.
All right,
Get
plate
smells
it out.
wonderful.
I don't know.
This is really working out for Chris and I
All right.
because Jeff was standing there doing dishes while we dug in and
just
ate
picking
his delicious stir fry. It came out really, really good.
And we're doing this while we got a crowd of people waiting.
Right, right. Yeah.
That's all right. They can't see us right now.
Yeah.
It came out excellent. I'll tell you that my biggest part of it, Jeff, is the mango is like an explosion of juices in your mouth with rice, which you never, I mean, that's delicious. And I do get a titch of the lemongrass.
Yeah.
It's very good.
It's a complex flavor.
Yeah, it really is. And I'm getting a little heat in the back end.
Little bit of heat.
Yeah.
So I'm never sure if it's the lemongrass, the ginger, the red pepper flake, or the cayenne pepper, what's causing the heat, but you just kind of go light on all of them.
Yeah, it's a good mix.
Right.
It's just a little bit on the back. It's not bad. It's a good.
What I like about it is it actually tastes healthy because you got so many vegetables in it. It tastes almost more like a veggie stir fry with a little bit of rice
Yeah.
than it does stir fried rice.
Yeah, chicken stir fried rice.
I also like getting the rice on there right at the beginning because you get those crispy edges.
Yeah, I do like that.
You know,
it does. It's good.
Good
It's
stuff.
outstanding.
Worked perfect. Nice cooking, man. Really good.
Thank
good
you
job.
very much.
Nice plate.
Cheers, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, all of the regular stuff. I mean, that's it.
Tell your friends.
Tell your friends.
We'll see you in the next video.
I'd tell Jeff to dig in, but we know he's dieting.
Yeah. The carbs.
What is this all about, Isabella?
Go to college.
So I got my daughter going away to college, officially. And her aunt and uncle were nice enough to bring over a care package.
Paper towel.
The essentials. Mac and cheese, Dr. Pepper. Nice.